Hello, hello. Acha, I'm audible. Okay. D14B class, whether I'm audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, we'll start. Yesterday we have seen about the how do you encode them. So we have started with the message. Okay, we have updated the tree. With that updated tree, now we have to use that updated tree as a reference. Using taking that reference, we have to build up the encoding numbers. Okay, that means whatever the message I'm having, taking these each every symbol, I need to get the respective encoded bits, and to get the encoded bits I have to refer the updated tree. Okay, I have to refer the updated tree. So we have started. I have given you the encoding steps. Okay, we have started with the encoding steps. So this is the symbol which is given to us. Now the first step says that read the message sequence from first to the last symbol. So that's why we have started from the first symbol, that is A. Okay. Now as far as A is concerned, we have to go with the second step. If the symbol has come for the first time, then send code for NYT followed by fixed code. Okay. Now whenever I'm talking about the code of the NYT, you know that the code for the NYT is 0. Okay. But we have to understand initially while we were updating the tree. Okay, now pay attention. Yesterday I have told you 0 0 0 0, then for A it is 1, then for R it is 0 1. Whatever I have written in the black color, that is for the NYT code. Okay, now again we are going to start and we have to do the modifications. Now we have to do the modifications depending upon the tree which we have already developed in the updating the tree. Okay, now we have written for A. Second step क्या बता रहा है? If the symbol has come for the first time, you have to send the NYT code followed by the fixed code. So as far as the fixed code is concerned, we have got the fixed code for A as 0 0 0 0 0. So 5 zeros. And we have said that the NYT code is 0. That is why 0 and 5 times 0. So this 0 is for the NYT code and 5 times 0 is the fixed code for A. Now pay attention. Why will doing this? Now this is as per the given steps. जो मैंने steps दिया उसके हिसाब से ये है. But as I have told you that we are encoding, but we have to refer to the updated tree diagram. Because encoding is based on the reference of updating the tree diagram. So whatever the tree diagram we were having, okay. Now if you refer to the tree diagram, I already have told you we will start. Initially we have started with NYT, where the value will be 0 and the weight will be 51. This is for NYT. Okay. Now whenever you are starting with this NYT, always remember, okay, we have started with this NYT and gradually we have developed the tree. Similarly, while encoding also, we have to go step by step of what? Step by step upgradation of the tree. So if I am taking A as the first symbol, then I have started with NYT 0. So this is my initial node. Okay. अपडेशन ऑफ द ट्री में भी हमने इसको इनिशियल नोड कंसीडर किया था और उसको हमने ग्रेजुअली ग्रो किया था. That is left child, right child, 0 1 and so on and so forth. Okay. Now here when we have to encode, then also we have to start from the basic initial node. Okay. Now when I'm taking this node, and if I ask you the code, now you have to be very specific. What do you mean by code and what do you mean by fixed code? Okay. Now these are the two different things. Yesterday I got there were two mails regarding the difference between the code and the fixed code. Okay. Whenever you want to write down the code, you have to refer to the updated tree. I'm talking about the code. And whenever you want to write down the fixed code, you have to refer the steps. Okay, you have to refer the steps to get the fixed code. Okay, so always remember the code जब मैं बात करता हूँ तो you have to refer to the updated tree, and whenever you talk about the fixed code, you know the procedure to get the fixed code. वही procedure है जिसमें E है, R है, then we have to see whether your K is in between or it is greater than 2R. If it is in between, you write down the representation in the form of K minus 1. Or if it is greater than 2R, then you have to write down the representation in the form of K minus R minus 1. Okay, so that is how you get the fixed code. So in that case, no need to refer to the updated tree. But when you talk about only the code, you have to refer to the updated tree. Okay, now if this is clear, I will we'll start writing down now. Now उसने कहा था कि if the symbol is coming for the first time, you have to write down the code for NYT. Now here I'm not talking about the fixed code of NYT. I'm talking about the code of NYT. And always remember, whenever you are talking about the NYT, you will talk about the code. You will never talk about the fixed code related with the NYT. So you tell me if this is my initial node, and if I'm asking you to tell me the code, not the fixed code, tell me the code of this NYT, then there is no code available. And let me know, I already have told you, if I'm talking about such type of node, left side is 0, right side is 1, left side is 0, right side is 1. And suppose here I'm having a symbol, suppose B. And if I'm asking you, you tell me the code. I'm not talking about the fixed code for B now. If I'm asking you, tell me the code for B, you will say, you will start from root, you will say, sir, it is 1, 1. Suppose there is one more external node which is for the symbol C. And if I ask you, you tell me the code for C, you will say, sir, we'll start from the root. This is my root. So to reach my C leaf, I will go from root. So it is 1 and 0. So for C, the code is 1, 0, and for my B, the code is 1, 1. Okay. Similarly, if I'm asking you to tell me the code for NYT, and if this is my initial tree, even tree तो अब तक बनाया नहीं है, because initially मैंने root से start किया. Now here if it is a root, and I do not have the branches, I do not have the internal external node, I only have single root, I have a single root, then in such case, the code for NYT does not exist. The code for NYT does not exist. Okay, so you do not have to consider 0 now. Okay, so initially we have written as per the given steps. Now, as we have seen the difference between the code and the fixed code, and we have developed the updated tree. After updation of the tree, we have entered into the encoding of the symbols. Then during encoding of the symbols, you have to refer to the previous updation of the tree. So during the updation of the tree, we have started with this first initial root with the code of NYT as because there is no code exists for NYT. So that is why there will be no code for NYT. और बाद में क्या लिखा था? Followed by the fixed code. And you know how do I get this 0, 0, 0, 0, which already have explained. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. If you want to know how I got this, the step says that if the symbol if the symbol has come for the first time, then send NYT code for then send NYT code. So NYT code does not exist, followed by fixed code. So fixed code for A. So I have given you how to get the fixed code for A. You know that E is 4 and R is equals to 10. Okay, and if your K value, now for this A symbol, K value is 1, and you know that 1 value lies between 1 and 2R. That's why you have to encode as E plus 1 bits. So E plus 1 comes to be 4 plus 1, that is 5. Okay, R used to represent K minus 1. I have to represent 5 bits. For the 5 bits will be used to represent K minus 1. So what is K? 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So how do you represent that 0? That has to be represented by 5 bits. That's why you have 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. I hope you have understood this. Okay. So please remember, you can, पहले मैंने जो किया था वो 0 वहाँ पे लगे तो asterisk लिखो. Asterisk लिखने के बाद you can just mention this diagram. Also, if you want, you can write down the difference between the code and the fixed code so that you will be able to understand. Okay. So for the initial, NYT code does not exist. That's why we will not consider 0. I want everyone to just draw the asterisk, okay, somewhere, for your understanding, and write down NYT code does not exist for the first symbol. Okay, so we'll move further. Now we have reached to the A value. So when you have reached to the A value, again we have to see. Okay, one more thing. Now, so second step we have done. Now the third step, if the symbol has, so when I was talking about A, so we have seen the first step, second step, no need to refer third step, but we have to refer the fourth step. What is the fourth step? That continuous update the tree accordingly for all the symbols. I mean to say that when you have done with A, you have to update the tree. Okay, so what is update? How do you update the tree for A now? Now this is for NYT के लिए 0 था. Now I have to update. I am going to the, see, I have omitted the third step because that was not applicable. So that's why I have to go to the fourth step. And fourth step says that continuously update the tree accordingly for all the symbols. Not for all the symbols now, which were previously done. So A का encoding होने के बाद, now I have to include this A in this particular initial tree. So it will be how it will be. Now you do not need to draw this. While encoding, you have to just refer the previous updation tree जो आपने बनाया था, और वहां पे स्टेप बाय स्टेप हमने बनाया था. तो इसके बाद क्या स्टेप था? इसके बाद स्टेप था ये, where you have to include A now. After encoding, include A into the tree. So आपको क्या मिला था? आपको ये मिला था. Please refer to the previous the updation tree diagram. And this was 1. This was 1. Okay. This was 51. ये 49 था और ये था 50. Okay. So after this you have got this. After this you have got this. So you have to update the tree. So always remember, encoding होने के बाद you have to include that symbol so that you will update the tree. And no need to update the tree because it is already done in the previous updation of the tree. सिर्फ वहां पे आपको रेफर करना है. Okay, so we have updated this. Okay, now come to the first one. Now ये तो हो गया. इसके related A को include करने के बाद ये tree आ गया. Now we'll continue further. I will remove the other parts. See, you have to go very you have to be very attentive as well as very cautious when you are drawing this. Okay, if somewhere something goes wrong, the other part also goes wrong. Okay, now हम यहाँ तक पहुंचे. We have included A. We are moving further. Come to this A. The value of A, sorry, the value of the K value will be 1. Okay, then whether will the follow the steps फिर से क्या बता रहा है? If the second step, if the symbol has come for the first time, no, I will ignore the second step, go for the third step. If the symbol has not come for the first time, then send code for that particular symbol. Okay, now we have to send the code. Now they haven't mentioned fixed code. I have already told you the difference. So here, do not refer to the fixed code. Do not go into that particular fixed code calculations. Okay, they have simply told you that you have to send the code for that particular symbol. So as far as A is concerned, now even I can say I do not require K value because मुझे fixed code निकालना ही नहीं है. So I do not require K value. So आपको लिखना तो लिखो, otherwise do not include this K value. It depends upon you. Okay. So A is there. Now I have to send the code for this A. Now the code for this A, I already have told you, you have to refer to the tree diagram. And this is the tree diagram. This is the updated tree diagram. As far as the code of A is concerned, this is the updated tree diagram. And tell me the code for A. You are going from this route to this side, and you know that the right side is 1 and the left side is 0. So for the code of A, it will be 1. So you have written. So yeah, ये बराबर है. So there is no doubt ये बराबर है. Okay. So there is no doubt this is right. We'll move further. यहाँ तक हो गया. We'll move further. हाँ. But the updation is required. We have to include this A now into the tree. How do you include this into the tree? ये draw करने की जरूरत नहीं. Again, I am saying because already you have drawn. You have to just refer that previous tree diagram. Okay. इसके ये a इंक्लूड होने के बाद क्या होगा? द सिनेरियो विल बी ऑलरेडी हैव ड्रॉन, यस द सिनेरियो, अच्छा 0 + 1 = 1, ये लिखना बाकी है. अपडेट द ट्री, सो हियर यू हैव 0. ओके, नाउ आपको पता है ये सेकंड टाइम आया तो सिर्फ ये 1 का हो जाएगा 2. 1 कब लिखते हैं हम? जब इनिशियल एंट्री होती है. ये 1 कब लिखते हैं हम? जब इनिशियल एंट्री होती है. अभी सेकंड टाइम ए आया तो दिस विल बी द सेम एज इट इज, दिस विल बी 0, दिस विल बी NYT. नाउ दिस विल बी अपडेटेड, ये बन जाएगा 1 का 2, ये बन जाएगा 1 का 2. दिस इज फॉर ए, दिस इज 51. सो 0 + 2 = 2. पहले था 1, अब हो गया 2. यहाँ पे 1 था, वो हो गया 2. ओके, एंड दिस इज फॉर ए. द कोड इज the weight is 50 and 49. Actually we are not using the weight, but you should know this, you can write down. Okay, otherwise if it is not required you can just leave. Okay, so 49, 50 and 51. So this is the updated tree. This has come after you are included this a symbol. After you include this a symbol, now this is the updated one. Okay, now come to the next part. Now we have to encode for R. Now we have to encode for R. Okay, we have to encode for R. Again repeat the steps. Step number 2. Step number 2 क्या बताता है? If the symbol has come for the first time, yes, R has come for the first time, so you have to send the NYT code followed by the fixed code of that symbol. Okay, now here I want to send the NYT code. My updated tree is this. Now if I ask you to tell me the NYT code, again I am saying NYT code not related with the fixed code. It is only the code which you will get from the updated tree. So if I am asking you tell me the NYT code to tell me the NYT code from this particular updated tree diagram, you will say again here this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, this is 1. So if I'm asking you the NYT code, it will be 0. So already you have written, so this is right. NYT code will be 0, this is right. Followed by the fixed code for R. Again repeat the same thing. What is the value of K now? The value of K is 18. The K value will lie between 1 and 2R. R is your 10. So 2R is 20. So your K is less than 20. Yes. Then you have, how do you represent? By E + 1 bit. But representation of what? E + 1, that is 5. So 5 bits will be used to represent what? To represent K - 1. Yes, K - 1. So it is 18 - 1, that is 17. So how do you represent it by 5 bits? It is 10001. So this is right. So this is right. 10001. So this is right. Okay. So the code encoded, the code for R is 010001. So we have got this. Again update the tree. Now we have to include the R. Always remember, जिसका एनकोडिंग होता है वो ट्री में आना चाहिए, तभी जाके वो अपडेट होता है. यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स गलतियां करते. ओके, उनको पता नहीं चलता है कि फॉर विच सिंबल हमको कौन सा ट्री रेफर करना है. ओके, तो आपने जो प्रीवियस बनाते रहते हो ना, तो जो आपने यूज किया उसको टिक मार करते जाओ. जो आपने यूज किया है उसको टिक मार करते जाओ, सो दैट विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड. अदरवाइज अब ये डी के लिए आई वांट फॉर दिस डी आई वांट द अपडेटेड ट्री इन विच आर इज इंक्लूडेड, वो भी कर सकते हो. इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन यू, आपको जैसा कैसे चाहिए. नाउ आई विल इंक्लूड दिस आर नाउ इनटू द ट्री डायग्राम. अगेन रेफर टू द प्रीवियस डायग्राम जो आपने बनाया था. सो yes, I'm going to update. So here you have yes, and always you know the childs are added at the NYT. Okay, so you have an internal circle. Then here you have two child. Left child will be always NYT, so it is NYT, and here comes the R coming for the first time. That is why it is 1. Okay, और यहाँ पे आपका जो 2 है, that will be the same for A. Okay, so 0 + 1 1, 1 + 2 3. So this is updated tree. Okay, so this is 0 1 0 1. If you want to write down the weight, you write down, otherwise leave. 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. So this is the updated tree diagram. Okay. So ये तो मैं draw कर रहा हूँ for your understanding, but you have to refer to the previous one. Okay. So this is the updated one. Come to the now D now. Come to the D. Okay. I mean D, whether the D has come for the first time, yes. So what we have to do? We have to send the code for NYT. और वहाँ पे हमने क्या किया था NYT का कोड? वहाँ पे 0 लिखा था. Now we'll check. We will check. क्योंकि अभी हमने बताया कि we have to refer to the previous updated tree diagram. Okay. Now I have to send the NYT code. So I have to check the updated tree. So this is my updated tree. Now to reach NYT, I will go from the root. So you will go from the root. So it is 0 and 0. So this is wrong. हमने एक ही 0 लिखा था. There should be 2 zeros. There should be 2 zeros. Okay. So to reach my NYT, it is 0 0. It is 0 0. So 0 0 followed by the fixed code of that symbol. Fixed code of the symbol is D. So D ka value is 4, which is less than 2R. You have to represent by 5 bits. Like 5 bits to represent what? K minus 1. So 4 minus 1 gives you 3. So it is 0 0 0 1 1. 0 0 0, it's 1 1. So this is right. So this is right. Okay. So this is right. Now we have to update the tree. We have to update the tree. So include this D now into this particular so that it will be updated. तो यहाँ पे करने की जरूरत नहीं, ऑलरेडी हमने ये कर चुके हैं. So you have to just refer the previous tree diagram where your D has been included. Okay. Now hereafter I won't draw the tree. Okay. I will just refer my previous updated tree. Okay. This is just for your understanding that this has to be updated. तो ये ड्रॉ मत करो, जो पहले किया है उसको सिर्फ टिक मार करो, so that you will understand कि मैं यहाँ तक पहुंचा. Okay. I will go for the V now. We'll go for the V. Again the same thing. Okay. Now hereafter I will not refer to the tree diagram directly. मैं पीछे से reference लूंगा. I'm going to rub this, and you will tell me the answers now. फटाफट. Okay. You will tell me the answers now. फटाफट. V coming for the first time. Send the code for NYT. So tell me the code for NYT fast. Yes.
0 0 0.
Yes, 3 times 0. Okay. Now you are referring to the tree diagram. You are referring to the tree diagram in which D is included, where D is inserted. So when you refer that, and when you have to reach to the NYT from the root, it is 0 0 0. So that is 3 times 0. Followed by the fixed code of Y. Followed by the fixed code of Y. Tell me the K value for Y. I am writing down here. It is value of Y. K value. Yes. What is the value of K?
22.
Yes. Yes, 22. Right. Get me the fixed value. Sorry. Get me the fixed code for Y.
1011.
10110. 10110.
10110. Okay. But
10110.
okay. Okay. Let me tell you one thing. Whether your K falls between 2R or it is greater than 2R.
So greater than 2R.
So tell me the representation will be whether it is E plus 1 or only E.
Only E.
Yes, it is only E.
1011.
Yes, it is right. 1011. Please correct yourself. I have told you here the K value is greater than 2R. That's why we have to represent K minus R minus 1. K minus R minus 1. So K is 22 minus, sorry, we have to represent so it is 22 minus R is 10 minus 1. So 22 minus 10 is 12. 12 minus 1 is 11. Represent in the 4 bits. 11. 1011 बराबर है 1011. So it is k minus r minus 1 is equals to 22 minus 10 minus 1 is equals to 11, and you have to represent this by e bits, that is 4 bits. So ln will be represented as 1011. That is right. That is right. Okay. So we have done with v also. We have done with v also. After you include insert v, please update. Please update. वो हमेशा भूलना नहीं, तो जो हुआ उसको टिक मार्क करना है. So we have done with this. Now again you have to consider that updated tree in which swapping also has been done. स्वैपिंग करने के पहले वाला जो उसको अपडेटेड नहीं करना है, स्वैपिंग के बाद जो हमने किया है वो अपडेटेड बोल के पकड़ना है. दैट विल बी ट्रीटेड एज अपडेटेड ट्री. आई एम टेलिंग अगेन, while doing this, when you encounter to a particular tree in which swapping is done, so after swapping whatever the updated tree you have to take that as a reference while writing down the node. Okay, so v का हो गया. Come to the a now. Whether the a has come for the first time? No, it has not come for the first time. So what are the steps? So if the symbol has not come for the first time, send the code for a particular symbol. उसके लिए symbol भेज दो. अब a का कोड क्या है? Refer to the updated tree. Yes, what is the code for a?
Zero.
How come 0? Your a is on the right hand side.
1.
Yes, it is 1. 0 कैसे आएगा? आपका जो a है, you start from the root, you will see a is on the right hand side, and for the right hand side the code is 1. So for a the code is 1. For a the code is 1. Is it okay to everyone? Is it okay to everyone? The value of a, the code for a is 1. Shall we proceed further?
सर बट स्वैप करने के बाद लेफ्ट साइड पे आता है ना.
Wait. Let me see. So when you do swapping, you have included v. So you have included v. See in the diagram. No. See here. When we were swapping, I have told you should start from the bottom. तो जहाँ पे 2 1 था, all of you please refer to the updated tree diagram जो previously हमने बनाया था. जब हम नीचे से ऊपर आ रहे थे तब हमने देखा था कि 2 and 1 वो हमने स्वैप किया था और 3 और 2 वैसे के वैसे रखा था. ओके, सो दैट इज द फर्स्ट स्वैप. इन दैट फर्स्ट स्वैप 3 and 2 हमने उसको हाथ ही नहीं लगाया. 3 और 2 को हमने हाथ ही नहीं लगाया. सो इन दैट केस ओनली 1 स्वैप के बाद जो भी कुछ रहता है ट्री डायग्राम, considering that tree diagram, you have got the value of a as 1. You have got the value as a1. Okay.
तो सर हर बार फर्स्ट स्वैप के बाद वाला ट्री डायग्राम देखना होता है.
हाँ, अभी देखो यहाँ पे केस क्या हुआ है. मुझे अभी a का कोड लिखना है. अभी v मैंने इंक्लूड किया. अब v जब मैंने इंक्लूड किया तो अपडेट ट्री करने के बाद मुझे पता चला कि I have gone from down to bottom to top. So in that case I have encountered to 2 and 1. So 2 was bigger than 1. So I have done the swap. So after that swap I have got the updated tree. So that is the first updation. So first updation में जो भी वैसे के you have to take that only. Okay, you have to take that only. Okay. So always remember ये पर्टिकुलर केस में क्या होता है, हमने 2 बार स्वैप किया था. हम नीचे से जब जा रहे थे तो पहला स्वैप 2 और 1 के बारे में, बाद में सेकेंड स्वैप 3 और 2 के बारे में. लेकिन पहले स्वैप होने के बाद जो भी अपडेटेड ट्री आता है उसको वैसे ही कंसीडर करके हमको कोड लिख. सो while your journey whenever you see such type of swap, so take first swap and take the code. यहाँ पे ऐसा हुआ क्योंकि काफी क्वेश्चंस में ऐसा होता है कि एक ही बार स्वैप होने के बाद हम फिर से अपडेट करते और बाद में फिर से चेक करते और बाद में स्वैप करते. लेकिन यहाँ पे ऐसा हो गया कि एट अ टाइम हमको दोनों स्वैप था, तो इसलिए हमने पहला स्वैप किया और बाद में we have in the second step we have done the second swap. लेकिन in the first swap जो भी आता है you take that one and write on the code. and write down the code. So that's why it is A is equals to 1. A is equals to 1. Is it clear now? A is equals to 1.
पर सर वो गलत नहीं होगा क्या तो फिर, क्योंकि
No,
वो
no.
लेफ्ट साइड का वैल्यू ग्रेटर है ना.
नहीं, इवन दो क्योंकि या हम जब अपडेट करते हैं ना ट्री में, तो मैंने पहले बताया था कि दोनों स्वैप एट ए टाइम मत करो, यू डू वन बाय वन. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अपडेशन. अपडेशन मीन्स ओनली वन स्वैप इन अ सिंगल स्टेप, no two swaps in a single step. So one swap in a single step, you have updated tree. Second swap, you have a updated tree. Understood? So only a single swap is allowed for updation in a single step. No two swaps are allowed in a single step to update. So first swap, you have updated tree. Second swap, you have new updated tree. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
Yes. Somewhere you can write down this point. Okay. Somewhere you please write down this point. So we have got A. Okay. So we have to include A now. So A का हो गया. Come to the R. Whether R is coming for the first time? No. Or already have taken the R. So directly write down the code for R. Directly write down the code for R. What is the code for R? Please refer to the updated tree diagram and tell me the value.
Sir, is it 0, 1?
Yes, it is 0, 1. It is 0, 1. It is 0, 1. Yes, 0, 1. Zero, 1. Then the last one, the K value. Now whether the K has come for the first time, yes, it has come for the first time. So if it has come for the first time, then NYT code. Now tell me the NYT code. Now I think this is the last symbol. So last symbol, so go for the last one and tell me the NYT code. So please go step by step. Okay, step by step में जाओ और then you tell me the NYT code.
सर ये आर का एक बार बताओ ना, कौन सा वाला ट्री डायग्राम देखना है.
आपका आर का जो वैल्यू जो है ना, जिसमें आपने आप सी यस आपका V जब इंक्लूड करते हो बिफोर स्वैपिंग, बिकॉज दैट इज द अपडेटेड वन, और उसके बाद हम चेक करते और उसके बाद में हम स्वैपिंग करते. ओके, सो फॉर दैट, बट बिफोर स्वैपिंग वॉट एवर दैट अपडेटेड ट्री यू हैव, you take that one and write down the code for A as well as write down the code for R. Again I am repeating, before you swap you have the updated tree. Okay, before swapping you have the updated tree, and in that updated tree you will see that the code for A is 1 and the code for R is 0, 1. Okay, so R and A are included. Now we are moving further to include now R होने के बाद now we are getting the code for K. We are getting the code for
पर आपने बोला था ना कि स्वैपिंग के बाद वाला देखना है.
स्वैपिंग, लेकिन हमने जब A इंक्लूड किया, okay, so we have got this 2, 1. जो हम जब नीचे से देख रहे थे 2, 1 था. Okay, now in that 2, 1 you have to include now. जब हम R का कोड निकाल रहे थे, R का जो कोड हम निकाल रहे थे, that is the code for R. We have seen that R has come for the second time, so you have to refer the same one. What I mean to say that जब हम A include करते हैं, so whenever you are including A, so A is included. After including the A, we are not doing the swapping. Okay, swapping is done when you check for the updation of the tree. Okay, but A is included and the code for A is 1. Okay, then we have to include R. R जब हम include करते हैं, so R include होने के बाद can I say that is before swapping? हम जब R include करते हैं, can I say that is before swapping? So before swapping के पहले R का कोड है 0, 1. Before swapping R का कोड है 0, 1. So A include होने के बाद and R include होने के बाद, okay, so whenever A is included and after A R is included, okay, R included होने के बाद you have that scenario 2 1 and 3 2, 2 1 and 3 2, okay. लेकिन स्वैपिंग के पहले वो है मेरे पास अपडेटेड ट्री, दैट इज द लेटेस्ट ट्री आई हैव, दैट इज द लेटेस्ट ट्री आई हैव, ओके. So whenever you have included R, the latest tree which you have, depending upon the latest tree, you have got the code as 0. Okay, इसलिए आप क्या, see if you have the confusion ना, you can gradually draw the tree, जैसे मैंने स्टार्टिंग में बनाया था. जब बनाते हो ना तब आपको समझ में आता है. तो स्वैपिंग के पहले जो सिनेरियो है वो सिनेरियो के बेसिस पे मेरा A1 है और R मेरा 0 1. That is what I have to say. Okay, so इसलिए मैं बोल रहा था कि जब जब आप ट्री बनाते हो for single step that is updated one, for single step that is updated one. Okay, so remember after A inserted and R inserted, whatever I have got the tree, using that tree I have got the code for A as 1 and the code for R is 0 1. Okay, so we'll see for the K now. We'll see for the K. We will see for the K now. Now the K has come for the first time, so I have to send the NYT code for yes, NYT code followed by the fixed code of K, followed by the fixed code of K. Now as far as this K is concerned, tell me the value of K. What is the value of K here? Because I have to use the fixed code for K, so I should know the value of K. So K is equals to 11. Yes, it is 11. K is equals to 11. Now the thing is, tell me the NYT code for, yes, tell me the NYT code. I have to reach to NYT from the root. I have to reach to the NYT from root. So tell me the NYT code.
Sir,
Now
is
see,
it
you have,
4 times 0?
no. Your NYT code should come. Your NYT code should come 1100. Your NYT code should come 1100. Now please see the tree diagram. We have to include R now. R include होने के बाद, R include होने के बाद, okay. Now R include होने के बाद, we have the swap. We have the swap. Wait, we have the, yes. Yes. See here. A included, R included. Now we have the tree. We have the tree. When we have the tree, now we will see the what? We will see the whether we are getting the left side less as compared to the right hand side. So while seeing that, you have come that 2 1. You have seen that 2 1. So we have swapped 1 and 2. We have swapped 1 and 2. Okay. After swapping 1 and 2, we have got the NYT code as 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0. Okay. Now that was the first swap. Then we have gone to the second swap. Okay, second swap. In the second swap, we have to swap 3 and 2. Okay, so when you swap 3 and 2, okay, and then if you see properly, you will come to know that it has satisfied all the conditions. All the left hand side is less than the right hand side. After that, you tell me the NYT code. After that, tell me the NYT code. After 2 swapping, tell me the NYT code. Yes. After two swap, tell me the NYT code.
1100.
1100. Am I right? Yes. Now we have to make the corrections now. Now see what are the corrections. I have told you that each and every time when you update the tree, that tree has to be taken as the latest one and you have to update. Okay. Now the correction is that whenever you are entering any symbol, after entering the symbol, whatever the updated tree you have got, okay, whatever the updated tree you have got, you have to consider that tree as the latest one. Okay, you have to consider the tree as the latest one. So, but after you enter, after you get, because हमने जब R include किया, okay, you have got the final tree. और जब R include किया, we have also seen that there were mismatch. Mismatch means the left hand side was greater than the right hand side. Okay, लेकिन जब हम update करते हैं, so that code we have to take, and when we go to the next one, the k value, we have to check the particular tree and we have to see that the condition is satisfied or not. Okay, now we will make the correction that whenever you are making the corrections in the mismatch of that particular number in the same row, then you have to see that the left hand should be less than the right hand side. So in that case, if you are doing two swapping, after you do two swappings, then you will check the condition, then the condition gets satisfied. So what I meant to say that to get the code or to get the code for k, you have to check the conditions for that particular tree when R was inserted. So when the R was inserted, you have directly written the code for R as 01. But when you are updating the code for k, before you write down the code for k, you have to satisfy the condition, that is left side should be less than the right hand side. So to satisfy that condition, you have done two swappings. So whatever I have said previously, you make the correction and see that after you do two swappings, you will get the standard tree. ये standard tree क्यों चाहिए? To get the code for k. Now I want the code for NYT. So you are getting 1100. So I will write down 1100 and the fixed code for k. Now fixed code for k is what? K is less than 2R. So I have to represent by 5 bits. So 5 bits will be used to represent k minus 1. K minus 1 is 10. So how do you represent by 10 bits? So it is 1248. So it is 01010. 01010. So it is 1248. 8, 9, 10. Yes. So this is the number. So you have the fixed code for k, that is I'm writing down here 01010. Okay. So you have the new finding. That is related with the step number 4. That is related with the step number 4. So step number 4 says that continuously update the tree accordingly for all the symbols. So updating of the tree का मतलब फिर वही है, whenever I am encoding the next symbol, before I encode the next symbol, you have to see that whether the condition is satisfied for the previous updated tree. The condition is that your left hand side should be less than the right hand side. If that is possible for one swap or two swap or three swap, you do it, and once the condition is satisfied, now that is the final tree which you have got. Use that tree to get the corresponding code for NYT and fixed code for that particular symbol. Okay, so we have as per the new findings, we have done the correction, and that correction says that you have to do the swapping. You have to do the multiple swappings if needed to get the standard tree. And after you get the standard tree, then you get the NYT code as well as the code for fixed code for that particular symbol. Okay, so this is what I have got. 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 0. Okay, so can I say finally what I have got? Finally what I have got. So finally I
सर
have got. Yes.
सर अभी आपने बोला कि मतलब जितने भी स्वैपिंग होने चाहिए सारे स्वैपिंग करने के बाद एनवाईटी कोड देखना है।
हाँ, दैट मीन्स ये नेक्स्ट सिंबल के पहले जो मुझे ट्री मिला है वो ट्री आने के बाद मुझे स्टैंडर्ड ट्री चाहिए। उसके लिए आपको एक स्वैप, दो स्वैप, तीन स्वैप, जितना भी स्वैप करना है करो। उसके बाद जो भी स्टैंडर्ड ट्री मिलता है वो ट्री यूज करो टू एनकोड द नेक्स्ट सिंबल।
ओके, तो सर जब हम लोग आर का एनवाईटी कोड लिखने का देखेंगे तो हम
आर
लोग
का
ए तक का ट्री देखेंगे ना?
आर का जब हम देखेंगे तो यस ए का देखेंगे। एक मिनट,
हाँ,
लेट मी सी।
तो सर तभी
आर
ए
का पहले
स्टैंडर्ड
हम ए
फॉर्म
का
में नहीं
देखेंगे।
रहेगा।
ए स्टैंडर्ड, इट इज इन द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म। वेट,
नहीं
आर
सर, वो दो स्वैपिंग के बाद आता है ना।
V, where is V? Yes, V. Then A. A is what? अच्छा, before you include A, R.
हाँ, तो सर ए थ्री होगा ना उस केस में, वो वाले ट्री में। जब हम लोग आर का एनवाईटी देखेंगे तो
हाँ
जब हम लोग ट्री में ए अपडेट करते हैं वो वाला ट्री देखना है ना, राइट?
हाँ हाँ,
तो
ओके
सर
ओके।
उस केस में वो 10 होना चाहिए शायद आर का।
R से पहले A. So whenever you have A, it is 1 to get the code. नो नो, here यहाँ पे क्या किया है मैंने, यहाँ पे I haven't used the fixed code. I haven't used the fixed code. Okay, so for R also, अभी यहाँ पे fixed code मैंने यूज नहीं किया। So it was 3-2 बराबर, it was 3-2. So when I have inserted R, then when I have inserted R, it becomes 2-1 ना, it becomes 2-1। जब हमने इंसर्ट किया R को तो R हमारा वो जो ये है रो है वो जो हो गया 2-1। और उसके बाद फिर हमने ट्री को अपडेट करके स्वैपिंग की है। नहीं एक काम, सी लिसन, जब हम ट्री बना रहे थे, हियर ऑल ऑफ यू, जब हम ट्री बना रहे थे तो पहले हमने एनवाईटी से स्टार्ट किया, बाद में फिर हमने ए को इंक्लूड किया। मैं यहाँ पे लिखता हूँ, फर्स्ट आई हैव इंक्लूडेड एनवाईटी, देन आई हैव इंक्लूडेड ए, देन आई हैव इंक्लूडेड ए। तो देखो ये हो गया, देन आई हैव इंक्लूडेड ए हो गया, देन यस आई हैव इंक्लूडेड आर हो गया, देन आई हैव इंक्लूडेड आर होने के बाद आई हैव इंक्लूडेड डी, ये डी भी हो गया, देन आई हैव इंक्लूडेड वी, ये वी भी हो गया। ओके, देन आई हैव इंक्लूडेड ए, I have included A. So what is the updated tree for A then?
सर तो वही
हमारा
ए इंक्लूड करने के लिए हम लोग ने 2 बार स्वैप किया है
तो A का
स्टैंडर्ड
इंटरनल
फॉर्म में
नोड,
लाने के लिए।
तो A का इंटरनल नोड क्या हो गया? देखो इंटरनल लोड हम एक बार जब लेते हैं तो उसका वैल्यू 1 होता है, सेकंड टाइम लेते तो 2 होता है, थर्ड टाइम लेते तो 3 होता है। तो 1 2 और ये 3, 1 2 और 3। So somewhere you have done the mistake in which you have added this A. आपको समझ में आ रहा है मुझे क्या बताना है? जब हम ट्री को अपडेट कर रहे थे तो A मेरा पहली बार आया, तो वैल्यू 1 हो गई जो हम स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट में लिखते हैं। सेकंड टाइम ए आया, 1 का हो गया 2, 1 का हो गया 2, ओके। बाद में थर्ड बार ए आया, जो थर्ड बार जब ए आया तो इंटरनल 2 का होना चाहिए था 3, वो हुआ है क्या?
हाँ सर हुआ है।
हाँ सर,
तो
हुआ तो
अगर
है।
वो तो हुआ है ना, तो फिर दोनों भी, वो रो में दोनों भी सेम है, वो रो में दोनों भी 3 3 है,
हाँ।
बराबर है। तो इसलिए उसका
हम्म।
कोड है 1, और आर का हो जाएगा फिर बिफोर स्वैपिंग, यस इट इज बिफोर स्वैपिंग ना, यस, एंड बिफोर स्वैपिंग इट इज 0 1, बिफोर स्वैपिंग इट इज 0 1।
तो सर आर का तो 10 है ना वो वाले केस में, जब ए के इसमें 3 है स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट में,
हाँ,
तो आर तो वहाँ पे R1 पे है ना, तो सर वो 10 होगा ना तो फिर।
तो 1 1 है क्या फिर? ओके, एक काम करते हैं, we will take the same this one encoded code, and we will try to decode, and we will see whether we are getting AARDVARC. Okay, अगर नहीं आ रहा है that means somewhere the code is wrong and we'll make the correction. Okay, now we will assume that the code what we have got is, मैं सब लिख रहा हूँ 0 0, I will write it down here, and जब हम decode करेंगे in that time we will see whether we have got the same code. I'm writing it down here. Okay, it is 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 1, then 0 0 0 1 0 1 1, यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ मैं नीचे 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 0. Okay, for A 5 times 0, this is 5 times 0, then this is 1 single 1, then 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 1, then 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1, then 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 1, then 1, then 0 1, then 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 0. Okay, so this is the final encoded one. When हम जब decode करेंगे इसको, तो we will check whether are we getting AARDVARK. If I'm not getting AARDVARK as per the algorithm, then somewhere we have gone wrong, then we'll make the correction. Okay, so till that time I will even check for this students. Okay, because I have got this 0 1 and this is 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 1, this is also right. Okay, but I will cross check for this 1 and 0 1. Is it clear? I think we can't proceed further for decoding. Okay, we'll see the decoding part, not yes, decoding part in the next. ये वाला, yes, what is the problem? हाँ, ये यहाँ पे गलत हुआ, कहाँ पे गलत है? कौन सा, ये नीचे वाला? ये है 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 0, ये जो ऊपर का वो सेम मैंने कॉपी किया।
सर जो डी
तो
वाला कोड है शायद वो गलत हो गया, आई गेस।
डी वाला
ये
1 एक्स्ट्रा 0
ये
है।
वाला, अच्छा एक मिनट रुको, ये मेरा है ए, ये मेरा है ए, ये मेरा है आर, ये मेरा है डी, तो आपका क्या है? डी गलत हुआ है, 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 2 3 4, हाँ यस यस यस, इट इज रॉन्ग, इट शुड बी 5 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5, यस 5 zeros and 2 ones. अभी बराबर है? अभी बराबर है?
हाँ सर।
अभी ये V है, ये है A, ये है R, और ये है K. So please write down this. In the next session, I will try to decode this. We have a specific algorithm for this. How to decode? Once you decode, we will see whether I'm getting the same message or not. If I'm not getting, we'll make the correction. Okay. Priyanka has taken the attendance for D14 B. Muskan, Priyanka is there?
Yes, sir, I have taken.
अच्छा ठीक है. So if anyone else, if you are having any doubt, you please ask me. Otherwise, you can leave.
Sir,
एनकोडिंग का
हाँ
और एक एग्जांपल ले सकते हो क्या आप? थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन है क्योंकि
ओके बाय बाय।
हाँ सर, प्लीज एक और एक एग्जांपल ले सकते हो क्या?
हाँ ठीक है ठीक है। क्योंकि
नहीं तो
see, it
यही
is a
सर डिकोडिंग के पहले
this is
अगर ये एक और बार एक्सप्लेन कर दिया ना फिर भी चलेगा।